Forex robots. So in MetaTrader 4, Forex robots are also called expert advisors, and the whole topic that we're talking about in today's tutorial is called algorithmic trading. So what is it? What is algorithmic trading, and what are these Forex robots? So a Forex robot can be envisaged as an actual robot, but in reality it's a program. It's like a computer program which can work through MetaTrader 4. Some programs work without MetaTrader 4, and the concept behind it is that if you launch this program on a Forex chart, it's supposed to bring you profits automatically. So you basically just set some inputs for the program, and you let it run, and it'll just earn you money in the background. So let's talk about this for a second. A lot of traders think this is a hoax, this is not possible, this is, the dream of any investor, that you just do nothing and the money is earned in the background. And to some extent, it is true. It's not entirely possible to just have money coming into your trading account all the time with no effort at all. And there are a lot of scams out there on the market, just in the internet, that will tell you buy this Forex robot and it'll earn you money and you'll be rich and you'll never have to worry about trading again. So 90% or 95% of the stuff you see on the internet are scams. They're just trying to get your money as quickly as possible before their system starts to fail. But the truth is that algorithmic trading is actually possible, and it does work. And I'm a live example of that. I'm a live example of a success that I've had in algorithmic trading. Most of my trading, like people sometimes ask me, like, what strategies do you use, and like how often do you trade and things like that. But most of my trading strategies are actually have all been converted into Forex robots, and I have made tens of thousands of dollars just using Forex robots. And actually I try to stay away from manual trading because of the convenience that trading with Forex robots brings, which we'll talk about in a minute. But I just wanted to emphasize that trading with robots is possible. It does bring you money, and it has massive advantages when you're actually into it, when you know what you're doing. It's not effortless. It's not just switch it on and go away. It does require maintenance. It requires certain inputs from the trader, certain decisions, which robots to put on, which ones to take off, and re-optimization and things like that. But the bottom line is it's possible, and it's highly advantageous. So some of the advantages that algorithmic trading brings to you, as opposed to, or when compared to manual trading, well, first one, of course, is you get the freedom of time. Like the Forex market does give you financial freedom, in terms of if you master it, you won't have to go to work anymore, and you can trade from any place on the planet. But it doesn't give you freedom of time. You still have to follow your trading strategy. You still have to watch the charts. You still, even at least a couple of hours a day, you will have to sit in front of your computer and make decisions. Whereas when you turn your trading strategy into a Forex robot, you can set it on your chart and just let it run in the background while you sleep, while you have fun with friends and family. And you just have to check up on it once a week, or several times a week. But generally it frees up the constraints that you may experience when your trading strategy requires you to be in front of the computer. And for me, that's a massive advantage. And like I even took it to the next level through setting up a virtual private server where my Forex robots run, so I don't even have to use my home computer. So it's just sitting somewhere in a different country, and the Forex robots are running, and I can just check on it once every couple of weeks even, and see that everything's going all right. The second massive advantage of algorithmic trading, which can for some people be even more important than the first one, is the psychological side of things. That when you're trading with your own hands, and with your own mindset, you have to make certain decisions, and you have to watch the market and like see your profits and losses, and that can be can have a massive toll on your emotional state, and it can like devastate you when you see a loss, or it can even being happy about a profit. You see, that's a good thing. Maybe you might think it is, but in reality, it's not. You shouldn't. Forex should be cold-blooded. Like ideally, it shouldn't. You shouldn't be happy about profits, because if you're happy about profits, you're going to be devastated when you see losses. Everything should be calculated, and you'll see that in our section on live real trading, that our risks will be very diligently calculated, and we will know exactly how much we are risking to lose and things like that, so that when the time comes to open a trade, you're not emotionally involved, and that's very important with Forex trading. So what Forex robots allow you to do is they take out the emotional side of things completely. Because it's a robot trading for you, and because you don't even look at the market, all you're relying on is that your trading strategy is correct. You've come up with a good trading strategy, and it's just going to bring you money in the long run. So even if you have 5 profits and 1 loss, then you're generally making more money than you're losing. Then you'll have profits, so you don't have to worry about the losses and be happy about the profitable trades individually. You just look at the big picture when you have Forex robot. So those are the 2 main game-changing advantages that Forex robots bring. It's not to say that manual trading is not a great option, is not something that you want to pursue. Definitely, you have to start with manual trading, and some people just stay manual traders because they get passionate about it and they love what they're doing and they genuinely enjoy trading the charts. However, just keep in mind that there is this option of trading with Forex robots, and maybe you might want to check it out at some point through your Forex trading journey. And if you do want to check it out, please have a look at my course. It's the blue one. It's with the sun on the left, and it's called Forex Robots Make 175% per annum, Forex robot included. So in that course, I go through the steps of using a Forex robot, which I actually give to you free of charge, and I show you how to optimize it, how to set the right parameters, and how to get it working in those market conditions in which you will be at the time of watching this video. So that's also taken into account that the markets change all the time, and when you're watching the video, you might be in different market conditions, and I will show you how to adjust this Forex robot to your market conditions so that it will bring profits even in a different situation. So that course is available. You can sign up for it, and moreover, there's an exclusive offer just for students of this current Forex trading course. So if you go to the last lecture of our course that we're in right now, you'll see a special exclusive offer with a coupon for this Forex Robots course if you do want to check it out. Thanks for your attention. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.